Hello, this is Patrick. In this video I will introduce a new feature of the explorer.land platform, the sharing buttons. Sharing content is one of the most important practices in times of social media. So it was more than obvious that we would implement this indispensable feature into the Explorer as quick as possible. With our first version of the sharing button, it is now possible to share different content to Facebook. But in the near future, other platforms will be included like Twitter or LinkedIn. So let's have a look at the sharing button functionality. As soon as you open a project presentation on explorer.land, you will see the sharing button on the top right of the header image. By clicking on it, the well-known Facebook pop-up opens and you will see the preview of the post, consisting of the header image and the summary text. Write some comments about the content you're about to share and click on the share button. Remember, for this to work, you have to be logged into Facebook in the same browser, else the pop-up will ask you to log in. And do not forget to turn off the pop-up blocker of your browser, should it have one. Now, if I switch to my Facebook account, I will see the newly shared post. Everyone clicking on the post will be taken back to the project presentation on the Explorer. As you see, the sharing button is a very important feature to call the attention of your followers on Facebook to your project and invite them to explore it on explorer.land. A very cool property of the sharing feature is that you can share different content from within the project. So what does this mean? It means that if, for instance, you want to share the latest post from a project, you just need to go to the news line and post it directly from there. Or you open the post itself and use the sharing button there. Both variants will do it. This time, I'm not sharing the link to the full project, but the link to that specific post. So let's see how it appears on Facebook. Click on it and you see you will be brought back to the original post on explorer.land. And finally, another object which you can share are sites. Once you have selected the site of your project, you will see again the sharing button on the top right of the respective header image. And the sharing procedure is exactly the same as shown before. The nice thing about this last sharing possibility is that you will be able to share individual sites of your project with followers on Facebook. As a project owner, you will now be able to share newly created content to your organization or project page on Facebook, attracting followers there back to your interactive project presentation on the Explorer. But obviously, any other visitor of your project presentation on explorer.land will be able to share content with their friends and followers. The button sharing functionality is just the first step towards a fully interlinked platform, connecting it to the most important online tools from social networks to crowdfunding platforms. So stay tuned, subscribe to our newsletter or follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter or YouTube to get all updates. Thank you for watching.